And you'd agree that there was another article in 2015 that says, quote, has Johnny Depp become Hollywood's biggest joke?
I don't know. Netflix has a whole festival going now. Netflix is a joke.
And you'd agree that there is an article in Business Insider from 2015 that says Johnny Depp has his 5th box office bomb in a row.
If that's what it said, it said. Are you just going to keep reading this?
Well, I mean, this is Mr. Depp's reputation. That's what you're talking about in terms of Hollywood, correct? And in 2016, December of 2016, there's an article that says, quote, Johnny Depp is Hollywood's most overpaid actor for the 2nd year in a row. Did you recall reading that?
I don't know. Was that written by the second underpaid actor?
And you would agree that before the op-ed, there was negative publicity for Mr. Depp about assassinating President Trump. Would you agree?
No, I missed that one.
But the op-ed that didn't mention Mr. Depp at all and didn't mention any accusations that what happened to her, that's what caused Mr. Depp all his reputational harm? That's what you're saying?
Well, I don't agree that this article was not about
Did it mention Mr. Depp? That's what I asked you.
Well, does she have another husband who abused her
But did
in
it talk
2016?
about it? Did it talk at all about Mr. Depp's abuse?
Objection, Your Honor.
Snapping. He's like, come on, man. You know what the hell we're talking about. He's trying to say that we don't know who the article is about. You know what the fuck. Oh, sorry. What the article is about. And I act like you don't know. Bitch, we know.
You don't know one way or the other whether Mr. Depp will be in Pirates of Caribbean 6. You don't have a crystal ball. Is that right?
Objection, speculation.
He's an expert.
You say you don't have a crystal ball? Is that what he said?
Go ahead, you can answer, sir.
Well, as an expert, of course, I don't have a crystal ball. But as an expert, I think Disney will do everything possible to try to put him back in Pirates, but not under this cloud.
And you'd agree that before the op-ed, Mr. Depp had a run of movie flops. Wouldn't you agree?
Every actor has, ups and downs.
Now, and Pirates 5 did not make as much money in the box office as the prior Pirates movies did. Isn't that true?
That's true. It only made about $800 million.
It made less, though, than the first 4, correct?
Yeah, and any company would want to have a box office hit that made $800 million.
Now, can you put up the Defendant's Exhibit 99, please?
He didn't want him to go there. He didn't want him to give the details. He just wanted to say, yes, it made less.
And you see, this is from November 5th, 2020.
And where's this from? Some rogue website? Where's this from?
InsideTheMagic.com.
Okay.
Okay, and this says Disney reportedly scraps plans for Depp's Pirates of the Caribbean 6 return, and that was on November 5th, 2020, correct?
Assuming that this is a correct copy of this random website, that's what it says. They're not quoting the head of production. It's not a statement by Disney, but that's what this woman, Rebecca Barton, says. What's this again? MovieMagic.com?
Correct.
Movie Magic.
By Rebecca.
What is that?
Barton.
Maybe it's religious. Yo, this guy said some rogue magazine. Like, what is this from? As if these people just like had somebody type up the article themselves. Where are all these references that these people are coming up with?
Now, isn't it true that you don't recall when you first read the op-ed?
As I sit here today, I don't recall when I first read it.
I mean, it wasn't a big deal to you. You didn't read it in 2018, correct?
I have a wife, 2 kids, a full-time job. I don't remember.
And do you recognize this article from Dan Wooten that says, how can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in the new Fantastic Beasts film?
Yes, this article is in the UK Sun, which came to prominence by publishing topless women on page 3.
I think what you're trying to say was that the Sun was a rag, so no one would pay any attention to it. Is that what you're trying to say?
I'm saying the Sun is the Sun, and it's in the UK. And what this article is repeating stuff from 2016, repeating all the stuff that you might say should be all past history after the divorce. It's one Wooten's opinion in a newspaper that's claimed to fame as page 3 women, topless.
Oh!
And yeah.
I like this guy, man. This guy gave me the clips for today. After the stream, we're going to chop up a short version for Facebook. That's what we're working on.